What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. As promised, I'm going to show you today how to set up a RavenCoin wallet. Just a quick check on CoinMarketCap. We are at 0.019, just a little bit up from the last time. So we're only going to need one website for this. We're going to go to ravencoin.org. This is their main page. You can hit down here, get your wallet, or you can just hit wallets. As we went over through this, there's a couple of different ones: the desktop wallets, Windows, Mac, and Linux, and all these third-party wallets. You guys can just type in ravencoin.org and find out which one you like the more. But for the sake of this video, we're gonna do the desktop wallet. So you're gonna choose whichever machine you have. I have Windows. I click on it, save as. I always save it on my desktop. I already had it downloaded just before this video to make sure it works, so I save it to my desktop. So we can close all of this, guys, and it's gonna show up on your desktop looking like this. All you're gonna do is double click. It's gonna say Windows protected your PC. You can hit more info, run anyways. It's an unknown publisher, and it's also gonna say, would you like to allow this to make changes to your PC? I clicked yes, and it's gonna pop this screen up. I click next. This is where all your files are going to go. I click next, and I hit install. You can hit here, do not create a shortcuts, but I want a shortcut on my desktop. Give this just a couple of seconds, hit next, run the RavenCoin. Now this is what it's gonna pop up for you. Use a default data directory, use a custom. You guys can do whichever one you use. I just use a default. And you hit OK, and this is what it's gonna bring up to you. This is your phrase, guys. You gotta keep this private. Don't share it with anybody. Get it from here, write it down, or save it on a little flash drive and take it out of any computers. So I'm just gonna hit generate. So you would write this phrase down that just generated, or save it on a notepad and get it off the computer. For the sake of this video, I'm just gonna create a wallet. After this, I'll be deleting it. I won't be using it because everybody saw my phrase. So once it generates, enter a phrase to protect it right down here. After hitting import, this is what it's going to pop up. So there's two things that's going to be syncing. This will take a little bit of while. If you look down here, it's syncing the headers. It's going to take a little bit, and then it has also 2 years and 19 weeks to catch up. Now, depending on your computer, this might take a couple hours or longer or less. It just all depends on your computer. You can see my headers is going pretty fast for me, and I'm mining still RavenCoin on this computer. So I'm going to leave this running, guys. It's going to take a little while. I'll let you know how long it takes for me. I'm going to let the header sync. I'm going to let the wallet sync as well. So next thing we see is going to be the wallet completely synced. So this is what the wallet looks like while it's syncing, guys. I just wanted to show you. Down here it's going to say how long you have left and the progress at 17%. It has to get to 100% for it to fully be synced. Once it's synced, this is what it looks like. This is what it will open as soon as you are fully synced. So to get the wallet to dark mode, all you have to do is click wallet options, go to display, hit enable dark mode, then you will have to close your wallet and then reopen it again for it to work. So let me show you guys a couple of things on the wallet. It is pretty simple. There's a couple of things I do like. It gives you live updates for RavenCoin marketplace. They use binance.com to show you that. So if it goes up and down, you'll see updates here. It's going to be either red or green depending if it's going up or down. So to send, it's pretty simple. Hit send, enter the address here. Over here where it says this, you can label it whatever you want to say. Hey, I'm sending you Raven for this and this. Down here is the amount, and then you also will have a fee, which is recommended by them, 0.01, or you can do a custom. I haven't tried this one yet, but you guys can play with it around. As far as, oh, you can see they went down 1 Satoshi, so now it's 202 Satoshis, guys. So this is live. Receiving address, pretty simple as well. You can hit here, request payment. They can either scan it or you can send them the address that's down here, or you can save it as well. That's cool. Or copy address without highlighting it. Or you can go under file and just hit receiving address. You can create as many as you want. You guys can see that I played with it a little bit, but you can have an address that's just for mining. This is what you put into your bat file on the miners, or you have an address. So this is the ones that are coming from the exchange that I'm getting. However you guys want to label them, that's up to you. Here you can see transactions, or on your overview on the right there will be transactions as well. Create asset, transfer assets. You guys can play with all this. Under wallet, you also can encrypt it, back up the wallet, and change your paraphrase if you would like. Up here, see, there it goes, went up to 203 again. There's a couple of things under options. I really haven't played with it. I usually don't. As long as my wallet is encrypted, we are good. And if you guys are having, if you're closing and opening it, also down here on the check mark, tell you if your wallet's completely synced. Besides that, guys, that's it on the wallet. It's pretty simple. Download it, click a couple of windows, let it synchronize, and let the wallet sync. This is what it opens. It really reminds me of a lot of paper wallets, but this is an upgrade to a paper wallet obviously, but it reminds me of them, the simplicity. So everything is simple and easy to use. There's no headaches. How do I get this or that? Alright guys, if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment below if you have any questions before I end the video. Make sure you're up to a current wallet update. Current wallet update now is 4.1.0. So make sure you always double check it once a week or once a month, whichever way you want to do it. Alright guys, as always, have a wonderful day.